In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section on Wix. Whether you're redesigning your website or just need a change, removing unnecessary sections can declutter your content and improve your site's performance. Let's go through the steps to efficiently delete a section on your Wix website. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix website editor. It's a fantastic tool that provides a lot of flexibility for customizing your site. If you're already familiar with Wix, you know how intuitive the platform is. Once you're inside, access your site's editor by selecting the specific site you want to work on. In this case, we'll just assume it's your My Site 1. If you haven't been in the editor for a while, take a moment to get reacquainted with the interface. You will see different sections laid out as you last left them, ready for editing. Next, scan through your site to find the exact section you want to delete. Wix's editor allows you to visually interact with your design, making it pretty straightforward to find the section that's ready to go. Once you've pinpointed it, move your cursor over that section. Here's where things get interesting. Right-click on it. This action will bring up a menu that gives you various options for that particular section. Right-clicking is an effective way to access editing tools directly tied to the section you're working on, so it's a handy tip to remember for future projects as well. Now, from the menu that pops up, look for the option that simply says Delete. This command is direct and does exactly what it implies, removes the section from your page. Before you finalize this move, think about whether this is something you might want to revert later. Once you click delete, that section is gone. However, Wix provides an undo button at the top of the editor in case you change your mind immediately after. This can save you from accidental deletion, so feel free to explore your editor a bit more freely knowing you have this safety net. After clicking delete, pay attention to how your site layout changes. This step might require some additional adjustments to ensure your website maintains a professional appearance. Check if the flow of your content is as desired and adjust any adjacent sections to fill the newfound space appropriately. Keep in mind that managing your site's sections wisely contributes to an overall better user experience for your visitors. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to delete a section on your Wix site. Thanks to the flexibility of Wix's tools, you can effortlessly modify and enhance your website without needing to dive into complex code. Make sure to save your changes once you're satisfied, and don't forget to preview your site to ensure everything looks just as you intended. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out our other guides on mastering Wix features. Happy editing!